Hello everyone. So let's begin with numericals of permutation. So our first numerical is how many 4-letter words can be formed using the word Madhuri, and condition is letters can be repeated, and second condition is letters cannot be repeated. Now the total number of letters in this word are 7. So total number is equal to 7 in this word Madhuri. Now from these 7 letters we have to form 4-letter words. Okay. So we'll draw 4 spaces. So first, second, third and fourth. So first condition is letters can be repeated. That is, repetition is allowed. Now whenever repetition is allowed, you can take any of the number, okay, since repetition is allowed. So first place can be filled with any of the 7 letters. So we have 7 ways. Similarly, since repetition is allowed, second place, it can also be filled with 7 ways. Similarly, third letter, so you can put any of the 7 letter in this since repetition is allowed. Again 7 ways. And fourth also 7 ways. So the total number of ways in which you can form 4-letter words by using this word Madhuri is 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So these are total number of ways, or total words you can form is 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 sevens are 49 into 49. So answer of this is 2401. So 2401 letters, 4-letter words can be formed from this word Madhuri. Now second condition. So second condition is you have to form 4-letter words from these 7 letters, but letters cannot be repeated. So repetition is not allowed in this case. So in this we'll directly use the formula of permutation. So 7 are total letters and we have to form 4-letter words. And condition is repetition is not allowed. So we can write 7P4. This is directly for letters cannot be repeated. So 7P4. So it is nothing but 7 factorial upon 7 minus 4 factorial. Now you have to just solve this. So it is 7 factorial upon 3 factorial. So we can write this as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial. So this 3 factorial gets cancelled out. And after solving this, your answer will be 840. So when letters cannot be repeated, your answer is 840. Okay. So our next question is as follows. So find the number of permutations of letters in each of the following words. They have given us 3 letters. First is represent, second is Shantaram, and third is combine. So we have to find number of permutations of each of this word. Okay. So the first word which they have given is represent. So in represent we can observe that E is repeated 3 times. So E is repeated 3 times. Similarly, R is repeated 2 times, right? So R is repeated 2 times. So number of permutation of word represent is nothing but it is equal to 9 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial, because total number of letters in this word are 9. I have written here. So total number of words upon repeated numbers. So repeated numbers are 3 and 2. So 3 times E is repeated and 2 times R is repeated. So you just have to solve this. So it will be 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So 3 factorial gone. And after solving this, the answer of this will be 30240. So this is for word represent.